You should move.
Absolutely.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so different, like a house of cards, a roll from Canaan? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screaming, no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark on you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you worth. Make 'em go, ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, ah, ah, ah. You gotta leave 'em going, ah, ah, ah. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just